Just a little rocky.
We left Southwood County Park and are heading east into Door County, Wisconsin. We were able to sneak in a few days at Peninsula State Park, which is about 3 hours away, making our travel day quite comfortable. I can get up and enjoy my morning coffee and let Gary sleep in, which tends to make trips easier for both of us. Peninsula State Park is a very popular destination in Wisconsin, and it makes sense. You're surrounded by water, it has over 460 campsites, a beautiful sandy beach, 20 miles of hiking trails, and a 10-mile sunset bike trail, and more. With all of these amenities, it's not surprising that you'll be hiking or swimming with several new friends. Over 700,000 people visited this park between June and August of 2020.
Yeah, I can't go hard right. I'm going to be in the trees.
But don't let that deter you. The park is large enough to share with quite a few folks and not feel like you're on top of one another. Oh yeah, there's minimal cell service, so using phones while backing up doesn't work. But we made it in with only a minor marital dispute.
We're at the Peninsula State Park and we're going to walk on their trails. We're on the Lone Pine,
Yes.
and we're on the Lone Pine Trail.
We used to hike a little before traveling full-time, but now we try to fit hikes in every place we go. There's something about the solitude of a forest, the smell of the air, the sounds of the birds, or the wind.
It's written on your face. As you come to light, I come alive. Your silhouette in the summer sky. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
This is part of Eagle Trail, which is considered difficult. For hikes like this, I'm glad we have our hiking poles. It helps us to keep stable when walking on loose rock and gives you a little more support when climbing over large boulders.
Just a little rocky.
Our time is best together. You must know that I love you so.
The Eagle Trail hugs the waterline, so you can get some pretty amazing views. We chose to stop for lunch here and enjoy the sound of the waves. This is a heavily used trail, but even then, you can have some time to soak in the sun and views.
It's just a steep cliff.
If you're seeing a single eye, listen half of what this world looks like. In a sea that only feels half tide, there is more, and I know that it's yours and mine.
When they said that trail was rocky, they meant it was rocky.
Just a little.
It can only get better, and this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. This is only a measure.
Oh, it's a cool little sailboat.
It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
During our hike, we stopped by Eagle Bluff Lighthouse, which was built in 1868 and is perched 75 feet above Green Bay. The lighthouse is now a gift store, but you can walk through for a small fee. If you like to see lighthouses, Door County is definitely your place. There's 11 on the peninsula alone. Before heading back to our campsite, we stopped by the boat launch, which is near Nicollet Beach. It would be a great place to launch our boat, but weather wasn't cooperating for the next few days, and we ended up scrapping that idea. As you can see, the beach is a very popular place to be, but even then it didn't feel like it was wall-to-wall people. The beach has showers, a store with snacks and ice cream, and there's a food truck on site as well. You can also rent bikes and kayaks too, which was quite convenient. My parents visited us for a few days while we were in Door County. It's fun to catch up with family and friends while traveling. You can visit new places and hang out at the same time. But our rig is a bit too small to comfortably share with others. For this trip, they stayed at a hotel near our campground. Other options are to rent Airbnbs or even renting cabins at your campground. It just depends on what your visitors prefer.
My dad created mountains where the valleys used to be. Gotta change perspective if I really wanna see that sunrise over the water. I swam over and under, get lost in all the wonder, never call it quits, no. When life hit me apart, I went faster and farther. I just gotta remember I was made for this.
While we were in Door County, we decided to take a boat tour with Fish Creek Scenic Boat Tours. They had 3 different daily tour options, so we chose the Peninsula Park in Ephraim North Cruise.
Lighthouse is in Door County. Okay, the building is made of cream city brick. We have somebody on board here from Milwaukee somewhere.
It's my God created mountains where the valleys used to be. Gotta change perspective if I really wanna see it. Sunrise over the water, I swam over and under. Get lost in all the wonder, never call it quits, no. When life hit me apart, I went faster and farther. I just gotta remember I was made for this. Creating mountains where the valleys used to be.
Although I didn't record it, my mom and I climbed the Eagle Tower, which had a great view of the bay. You can't beat quality time with family. Thanks again for stopping by, and next week we'll get the boat out.